She received her 4th Emmy nomination for Orange is the New Black this year. Please welcome Laverne Cox.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Laverne Cox, from Orange is the New Black. I'm also an executive producer of the Netflix original documentary about the trans experience and representation in film and on television called Disclosure, which I'm sure you've been hearing about. Speaking of hearing, in order to give the viewer a full sensory television experience, you need to have a great sound editor. Sound completes the picture, creates the atmosphere, and can even sell a joke. Here are the nominees for Outstanding Sound Editing for a comedy or drama series, 1 hour.
The sound editing teams from Better Call Saul, Bagman, The Boys, The Name of the Game,
You boys okay?
The Crown, Obervan, Star Trek Picard, Et in Arcadia Ego, Part 2.
Here come the orchids.
Let's see how much time they can buy us.
Stranger Things, Chapter 8, The Battle of Starcourt. Westworld, Parce Domine.
And the Emmy goes to
Stranger Things, Chapter 8, The Battle of Starcourt.
Thanks to the Academy voters for this award. It's a huge honor. And a huge thanks to our Scoops Troops leaders, Matt and Ross Stuffer, Sean Levy, Rand Geiger, and everyone over at Netflix. Over to you, Will.
Thanks also to our sound editing team of Ryan, Carrie, Angelo, Katie, and Steve, and our picture editing crew of Dean, Nat, Kat, and Casey. Over to you, Dave.
We'd also like to thank Mark Patterson, Kyle Dixon, and Michael Stein, and Nora Felder. Thank you.